For everyday people, I think 15-20 minutes is more than enough. 20 minutes, you can hit about 15 rounds of Surya Namaskar. Did you know that? That's a lot of Surya Namaskars.
Yeah.
And that is more than enough movement for you to get through your day. So small changes like this are very, very doable. People are so chasing abs and chasing waistlines and things like that, but shut the phone off from social media and TikTok and WhatsApp forwards and move for about 15-20 minutes. That is a mental shift that people want to do. They need to do that if they want to feel better.
Right.
Practice or feeling better on health is a mental game more than it being a physical game. Physical is a very visible aspect of that. You start feeling better. The mental benefits are beyond just sitting and comparing, so lots of factors come into how they can change or look better or feel better about themselves. Could you again repeat the second part of the question?
To enhance the productivity.
Yes. So for an employee who doesn't have back pain, stiffness, acidity, um, gas problems, digestion problems, if you have a healthier employee sitting in an office, that employee is bound to be more productive because they don't have these other issues that they're struggling and battling with every day, you know.
Right.
And hence, that is how productivity will increase. Productivity is a mental game. Making an employee sit in the office for 12 hours does not mean that they are mentally productive for all 12 hours. For all you know, they're productive for 6 hours. The rest of them, they're switched off or they're taking a
Yes.
break, right?
Yes.
So, attendance doesn't mean that you're mentally also present there. For that, you mentally need to have that capacity to sustain yourself and be productive and churn out work, which is qualitative work for those many hours.
Yeah.
But for that to happen, are you creating an environment for your employee which can make them that much productive,
Mm.
right? Healthy food, for example, uh, a basic postural sitting chair, for example, workshops once a week. Friday evening, everyone anyways shuts their laptop at 5, 6 or 7 and goes home and goes have a drink and, have a good time with their family. Make it compulsory for them to sit in the office and attend a movement class. Pay for it and mark their attendance as compulsory. They have to attend it.
Right.
If you were to put up a meeting Friday evening, employees will sit and attend the meeting, right?
Yeah.
So why not a move class,
Yes.
right? So that shift needs to happen from people who are running or making the bigger calls at companies. The employee comes there, does their work, and they go because they get paid to do that. But
Yeah.
apart from that, what intensive that you're giving them to make sure they enjoy what they do and make them feel better, that is something that corporates can immensely benefit from with practice.
Thanks. Thank you so much for sharing that, Charu.